Hi, I'm Mo and welcome back to my channel. I haven't seen some of you in a while and I thought in this video we take a deep dive into the last flip I did a few years ago. I acquired this property in the south of Johannesburg in a suburb called Bosonia Rock. I conducted an extensive walkthrough of the premises in an earlier video. The property is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom layout across 2 stories. When I got in, those carpets had to go. We swapped them for these sleek, large format tiles throughout the property. Additionally, the kitchen went through significant renovations. We went all out with granite countertops, made that space pop. The bedrooms weren't too shabby, just needed some TLC on the cupboards and a decent scrub. Bathrooms though needed some serious love. Tub had to be swapped out, vanity cabinets installed and fixtures replaced. Oh, and a fresh coat of paint was a must. After all that, it was just some final touches, ripped out the old grout for a fresh look, and bam, there you have it. Let's dive into the numbers, shall we? So originally I figured I needed around 185,700 Rand to cover everything. Buying the property, holding on to it and sprucing it up. But you know how it goes with investments, right? There are always surprises waiting around the corner. So let's look at the actual cost for the project. Buying costs were slightly higher than expected and so was holding costs. I did not anticipate the time it would have taken for the property to transfer to the buyer. So instead of the planned 6 months, I ended up holding onto the property for an additional 3 months. Luckily, the seller wanted early occupation, so we worked out a deal to cover those extra months with an occupational fee. Here's where things get a bit off rail. While I did include a 10% contingency cost, my renovation budget shot up by 55%. This meant the total cost ended up to 254,000 Rand. Now here's where things took an unexpected turn. I could have used a real estate agent to sell the property, but their commissions would have eaten up around 60,000 Rand. Knowing the market though, I took a gamble and decided to sell it myself. And hey, it worked out. Selling costs came down to a mere 4,000 Rand. Now let's look at the final figures. The property was sold for 950,000. I purchased the property for 600,000. The total cost of the property came down to 258,000. This left me with a profit of 92,000. A decent margin for what could have gone sideways. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video and I added some value to your investment journey. Please don't forget to hit the like button and I'll see you on the next one.